could not resist. I could not resist. They reproduced the corner chompers. And you know I have two of these, and I have the purple one and the green one. And these are so second-handed. I bought these second-handed from someone for 750 euros. And I have these so long since I craft, and they still do the trick. But when they have reproduced it, oh my gosh, I thought, yeah, I want to grab it, and now I want new ones. So I'm just gonna test these out. I'm gonna unpack these, and I'm gonna do a little review on it. Okay, here are my new babies. Okay, first of all, this video is not sponsored, guys. I bought these myself. Okay, before I have any mistakes in the world, I bought these myself. Alright, so I'm just gonna test it out. And first of all, the green one. The green one, the most of you people are anxious to get it. And I must say, yeah, I have the green one too, because I know you wanted these, because there were so many people who asked me, where did I get it? It's not available anymore, and I'm so happy they reproduced it. So I'm so happy, because I love this one. This was my #1 favorite, why I wanted a chomper. And why do I like a chomper? Because it cuts like butter. So you open these up, and this is my old one, and then you get this shape, and on the other side you have that shape, that the stub one or the deco one, and I love it. That's this one. This is the green one. So let me check out the new one. So you can open this up, and as you can see, my lid from the top for my old one is already gone, but that means that somewhere you can open this. Okay, it's too new. Somewhere you can open this. Open this up. Okay, am I that dumb? Oh, here it is. Okay. And then you open this up, and you can throw out the trashes, but my old one is broken, so I just empty it down on top of the piece. Alright, let's test it out if it cuts exactly the same as my new one, as my old one. And it does. Perfect. Exactly the same. Exactly the same! Yay! Oh, I just love these. And now this is one sheet, but ha, girl, you can make journals and just grab 10 or 15 pages and you can cut through butter. Okay, so now all what I just cut out are in this thing. Yeah, I just have too long nails, I know. Where it is, where it's opened. Oh, here it is. So everything what's inside will keep in here if you keep this close. Alright, now the next one I do have is the green one. The green one has amazing corners. Love it. Let me test out for you guys. Let's grab another piece of paper. So the old one has that cloud corner and this straight wavy curl. And let me check it out. Oh, this does, ooh, exactly the same, of course. Ooh, this cuts nice. Alright, so this is the scallop one and the cloud one. And it's exactly same as the old one. So happy. Happy, happy, happy. Alright, then now the two ones I did not have is this piece right here. This is the angle one and the photo one. So this is just straight. Just straight. Oh, that is perfect for making tags. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes, ma'am. And then you can, oh, let me grab, we are in a crocodile. thing right now. Oh, yep, see how easy now we can make a nice little tag. Yeah, love it. Cool. Alright, and on the other side we have the photo piece. Now I had to remember where we need this piece for, but you know, let me check. Do I have that? I believe I do have. Yep, I do. Of course I have. I have this punch, and if you cut this, then you get these openings, and I believe that if you have a photo, then you can tuck this in way easy. Perhaps on the back. I believe, oh yeah, that is this for. Perfect. That is amazing. I was just a little curious where you needed this for. Perhaps real memory keepers do have something like this too. I bet they do. But yeah, so that if you are using a punch like this, and then you can use this punch to add your photos in there for the corners. Huh. Cool. That is so amazing. Alright, so that was the angle in the photo. That's the pink one. And now the last one. That's the easiest one. It's just a round corner. A small one and a big one. And let me check. I think this is the... Oh, this is a small one. Oh my goodness. Wait just a second. Oh, wow. It's really a big one and a small one. Oh, that's a great difference. That's a 3.2 millimeters and a 9.5 millimeter. That's a great difference. Do you see that? How small this is? Oh, wow. I do have a punch like this. Let me check. And that's a 10 millimeter. So that should be almost the same as that one. And I have a 7 millimeter. Oh my gosh. It's this one. And I have a 4 millimeter. And that 4 millimeter, yeah, is almost, but it isn't. Oh, and that is what I'm happy about. Because I have so much. Yeah, I know. But now I have a smaller one than that 4 millimeter. That is cool. And that 10 millimeter is smaller than this piece. So yeah. Do I need that much corner punches? Yeah, I do. I love them. I absolutely love them. And when I make journals, I just love using my purple and green one for cut the corners, but I never had a corner punch, a chomper, to have those nice curly, not curly, round corners, just to cut a simple piece. And now I do. And let's add 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add 5 layers, and this is 160 gram, but this will cut like butter. So when I make this even, oops, see, that cuts like butter. Now let's go to the other way. Let's see if my old one does it better. I don't think so, but let me check. I need 2 hands, but I'm not that straight in my hands, but I need 2 hands, and then it just cuts like butter. Yeah, so cool. Okay, I'm totally happy about it that I reproduced definitely the green one. I thought the purple one was still available, I don't know, but I am so happy that I reproduced it. And yeah, I just got to grab the set. Now I think I can make my mom happy with the old green and purple one. So Mom, I think I'm gonna give you these ones, because now I have new ones. Yeah, and that was a great price for the pre-order set. How much did I pay? I believe 69. I don't know sure, but I believe it was 69. Yeah, something like that. Alright, so yeah, it's still expensive. I know these are, but new separately, I believe they are 22.50 euros. I talk about euros. I live in Holland, so I'm talking about euros. So normally they are 22.50 euros. So yeah, the pre-order was cheaper. So yeah, I'm happy. Alright, that is what I just wanted to say. So oh, they are even deco start. It says on here which one it is. Cool. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, and this, yeah, oh, this one went easier. See, everything you cut will fall in here, so you can empty this. So nice. Love it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.